AI lead generation for small business owners. Every small business owner knows the feeling of an inconsistent pipeline. Some months clients come in steadily and business feels like it's working. Other months the inquiries are going to dry up and the phone goes quiet and you find yourself spending time you don't have chasing leads that may or may not go anywhere. Now, the inconsistency isn't usually a product problem or a pricing problem. It's a lead generation problem. Most small businesses are going to rely on referrals and word of mouth. Now, you can't scale a business that depends entirely on who you or existing clients happen to know. Building a consistent, predictable lead generation system is what separates businesses that grow deliberately from businesses that grow accidentally. And right now, AI tools have made it possible for small businesses to build that system without a sales team or without a large marketing budget and without spending every waking hour prospecting. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete AI-powered lead generation system for small businesses, how to identify and how to find your ideal prospects. Now, before we get into the tools and the tactics, it is worth being precise about what lead generation means in a small business context, because the term gets used loosely in the ways that create confusion about what you're actually trying to build. Now, lead generation is the process of identifying people or businesses who might need what you offer. And it is one of the biggest things when it comes to audiences. Now, basically, when you're creating conditions where you initiate contact with someone and moving that person towards a conversation about working together is generation. It sits upstream of sales, and a lead is someone with potential interest, not yet a client. Now, there are two broad approaches to lead generation. Inbound lead generation, meaning creating content, optimizing your presence, or running ads that cause potential clients to find you and reach out. Or outbound lead generation, which means proactively identifying prospects and reaching out to them directly. Most small businesses are going to need both because inbound takes time to build momentum and outbound generates results faster, but requires more active management. Now, AI changes both sides of this equation. On the inbound side, AI tools help you produce the content and maintain the online presence that attracts leads without actually requiring hours of manual work every week. On the outbound side, AI tools help you identify the right prospects, personalize your outreach at sale, and follow up consistently without manual tracking. The combination of both running simultaneously is what creates the content and consistent pipelines that most small businesses are going to be missing. Now, the foundation of any lead generation system is clarity about who you're trying to reach. Vague targeting is going to produce a bad result. And it's going to be reaching out to small businesses or people who need marketing help, which is not a targeting strategy. The more precisely you can define your ideal client, the more effectively every tool and tactic in your system will perform. So start by building what's called an ideal customer profile. If you don't know what that is, an ideal customer profile is something most business users should know. It's a detailed description of the type of client who gets the most value from what you offer. It's easiest to work with and most likely to pay on time and refer others. So for a B2B service business, this typically includes the industry, the company, the size, the geographic location, and the specific role of the decision maker and the trigger events that make them likely to need a year-round work. Now, softwares like ChatGPT or Claude are genuinely useful here. Prompt them with your business type and your best current clients, okay? And doing that is really easy to do so. All you're going to do is I run a, let's say, e-commerce business, all right? And now what you could say is my best current clients are for and they all work with me efficiently, and it's a good trust between us. And what made those clients a good fit, of course? Those clients are easy to work with. They make good products, and you could say like are clear about what they require. They also pay on time and refer me to others as well. Okay. And what you could do is ask GPT to help you build out a detailed customer profile. So build me a detailed ideal customer profile. All right. The AI will surface characteristics and trigger events that you may not have considered and give you a framework that you can use to evaluate future prospects quickly. Now, once you have your IDP, okay, the next step is finding actual prospects that match it. Now, Apollo IO is, I'd say, the strongest AI-powered prospecting tool available for small businesses right now. It has a database of over 275 million contacts and 733 million companies, searchable by industry, company size, location, job title, and more. You can also use LinkedIn Sales Navigator, which is a good alternative as well. Now, moving on, you can outbound reach with AI personalization. So having a list of prospects is only the beginning. Getting a response requires outreach that actually stands out, and in an environment where decision makers receive dozens of cold emails and calls, LinkedIn messages, you need to be precise. Now, Apollo IO's AI personalization feature generate customized opening lines for each outreach email based on each prospect's LinkedIn activity. You can also use Lemlist if you want to, but Apollo can work incredibly as well. Now, while you outbound your system and it's generating immediate conversations, your inbound system should be building a pipeline of prospects who find you organically. The most effective inbound lead generation for small businesses combine three elements: SEO optimized content that attracts organized and organic search traffic, a lead capture mechanism, and a nurture sequence that keeps those contacts engaged till they're not ready to buy. Now, for content creation, the AI assistant content workflow I described could be Perplexity AI. Now, Perplexity is a good research tool that you can use. And you can also use ChatGPT or Claude to draft articles and use Surfer SEO or ClearScope to optimize the content for search terms. Now, for lead capture, your content needs a mechanism that converts readers into contacts, and the most effective approach is a lead magnet that you can work on with. So, of course, make sure to have proper qualifications. Now, moving over to lead qualifications with AI, you could also use different types of chatbots on your website to handle the initial qualification layer automatically. Tools like Tidio or Drift allow you to build chatbots according to you. And those could be according to email-based qualifications, where you could also use MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, and AI scoring tools like HubSpot. And finally, what you can do is you can also ask GPT to nurture these leads for me. Okay. And nurturing your prospects or nurturing your leads is really incredible. The core idea of nurturing is obviously giving them a proper sequence. Okay, acknowledging them quickly, showing them confidence, and asking one simple, satisfying question. So a consistent pipeline is the single most important factor in a long-term health of small businesses. Everything else, delivery quality, team growth, or even financial stability, depends on having a reliable flow of qualified prospects. Now, the system I've walked you through combines outbound prospecting with AI personalized outreach, inbound content and lead capture, and AI assisted qualification. Inbound builds credibility that makes outbound more effective, and outbound generates immediate conversations while inbound builds long term momentum. So set it up one component at a time and start with your ideal customer profile and your output outreach sequence. That is where the fastest results are going to come in. So add the inbound and nurture competence over the following weeks. Within 90 to 60 days, you will have a system that generates conversations with qualified prospects consistently. Now, that consistency is what a business that grows deliberately. So rather than accidentally, it is built upon. Now, if you want to go ahead and do this, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know down in the comments below how this works for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.